say at about, at around, at time sharp, at time, on the dot. You remember those expressions? Yes?
Sharp.
No?
No.
Okay. So at about is to give you like a rough idea. It's not exact. So you could say, I arrive home every day at about 6. Sometimes 6:20, 6:10, etc. Same thing with around, right? So I get home at around 7. Sometimes 6:55, sometimes a bit earlier, sometimes a bit later, right? But, you know, it's just around, gives you an idea. Here, when we use the expression sharp, that means exact, o'clock. So I come home at 7 sharp. 7 sharp means that I'm not 1 minute late. Not 1 minute later, not 1 minute before. Sharp. Same thing with the expression on the dot. Okay? So you could say, I leave home at 6 on the dot. Because if I leave later, I'll get caught up in traffic. Okay? Awesome.
Awesome.
Good. Let's go. Examples. Monsieur Sam. Go.
Okay. Steve arrives home at about 6 p.m.
Great.
Machiavello gets home at around 8.
Nice.
Archimedes comes home at 7 sharp.
Good.
And Pericles leave home at 8 on the dot.
Good. Pericles leaves.
Pericles leaves home at 8 on the dot.
Great. Good job, brother. Nice work.